Hello everybody, welcome to New York City. I'm staying in Manhattan at the Holiday Inn Express Midtown West. This hotel is located very close to Times Square, about a 10-12 minute walk from Times Square. It's located on 48th Street between 10th and 11th Avenues. Now, this is a classical Holiday Inn Express hotel right in Midtown, New York City. The rooms are very small, but you know, this is New York City, so don't expect much, and nonetheless you're not going to spend a lot of time in your room, most likely. But this room is it's actually very nice. I've stayed here before, and I'm going to spend 4 nights in this hotel room. The bed in the middle of the room is gigantic. It can easily accommodate 2 people, and my money is falling out of my pockets. But it's going to be a very nice night. I'm in room 308. There isn't really a view from here, but at least it's not on the ground floor. I can see a couple buildings from New York. There are the fire escapes from the other building, but there isn't really a view. If you happen to get a room on the upper floors, like above, I think 6 or 7, then you may get a little view from the city. So the room is small in size, but it's very practical. You have everything what you need. There are 2 bedside lamps if you want to read. There's also an electric plug, a 110 voltage electric plug, American standard, with a phone, some notepads, places to put your stuff. And this is a cool thing I've never seen before, ordermyroomservice.com. So basically it's a restaurant where you can they deliver to this room, and I think you may be able to charge you to your room, but I'm not sure about that. It's a smart idea. Now, as far as storage goes, there is a wardrobe which you can lock, just close. It has a couple hangers, it has the ironing board and the iron, and there's also a safe. Well, maybe a laptop can fit inside that safe. So there is some storage room. If you empty your luggage, you can actually just store the luggage here. But to open your luggage in the room and have it open the whole time, I don't think it's possible. Especially not if there are at least 2 people sleeping in the room. There's a desk where you can work. There is proper and ample lighting, and also electric plugs, 3 here and 2 here. Now there's something very odd about this light. If you want to watch TV, this bumps into right the bottom of the TV. So design-wise, I would reconsider this lamp, but otherwise that's not a big deal. The TV is fine. It has quite a few channels. I think also cable TV is available. There is a little cabinet here with a magic moving tray. You can make coffee and tea here. There's also an ice bucket and a couple glasses. And there's also a mini fridge, which is empty, but you can store your drinks here, so you don't have to go to the ice machine and get a bucket full of ice so you can chill some of your drinks. There's a full-size mirror, there's an alarm clock, the TV remote, some paintings on the wall. You can actually make this room, well, I'm not sure that you can do it totally dark, but at least it's going to be pretty dark. There's air conditioning, the unit is on the wall, and you can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, which is very practical for European visitors. Now, the bathroom is tiny, but you know, this is what it is. Small toilet, a small sink with shampoo, lotion and conditioner. Bath and Body Works, fine, nothing special. You see, everything is very practical here. Everything has its spot. There is tissue paper, and there is the shower. Yeah, I think it's fine with plenty of towels. By the way, the hotel has free Wi-Fi, and there's also free hot breakfast downstairs. They were also giving away free popcorn, and there's free coffee and tea the whole day. It's a very good location. The room is very small. If there are more than 2 people sharing a room, of course there will be 2 beds, but the size of the room wouldn't be as much larger as this one. Still, it's a very good hotel. I would recommend it. I've stayed here before, and make sure you check out my other 360 videos on my YouTube channel. Stay tuned and see you at the next adventure. Bye.